Hi, my name is Joel with Ambiance Garden Design, and we are working on building a stacked stone wall and a travertine path. I'm going to just talk through a couple of our steps that we're working on here for training purposes and to help educate. All right, so we have already at this point, we came in, we marked out our lines, we dug out to the depth that we needed. We wanted to make room for a few inches of gravel and a few inches of screenings and sand. We are currently in the process of laying out our stacked stone over here. Just dry fitting it for now, it's going to be mortared in later. But we are also beginning the process of leveling our travertine over here. So we're using our much finer material on this end to get a nice smooth level surface. We're going to be just smoothing this out slowly as we go and making sure that we keep it level all the way down. We want it sloped away from the house and from the pool deck so that all of our water flow goes this way. So most of our leveling is going to be checking that our slope is away from the house. So we still have to get our screenings and sand through this area, but it's coming along pretty quickly.